Hello guys, it's mural time again, and this time is so different from the murals that I normally do because I'm doing in the seat of my parents, so I'm going with my car. Oops. Today is kind of cloudy, so sometimes I don't like to do the videos when it's cloudy because you don't have a lot of lights, but the important is to start this mural. We already bought everything. I went to one store here that's really big and I get all the colors. This mural has just 3 colors, so it was kind of easy. And now we are going there. We're gonna arrive there, I think, like lunchtime. Normally I start the murals a little bit earlier, but since it's weekend, I decided to start a little bit later so the clients don't need to wake up so early to open the door for me and everything. I am almost there. Londrina is really small. I'm right now in Londrina, so everything is just like 15 minutes in car. I am right on the street, so I see you when we arrive there. Mamma mia! It's summer, but it's raining so much here. So everything we need is our paints. I will wait for the car. Ooh la la! I always bring all my paints on my suitcase, so I don't need to carry like really heavy paints. So it's time to start. You know something? In Brazil, when you want to call someone, we do something that my boyfriend said that's not normal in Mexico. We do that. In your country also does that? Because here in here in Brazil is normal. Okay. So this is the wall that we are painting this week. It's not that big, but it's also not that small. I think it's 3 meters 5x5 for 2 and 8. I have the right dimensions on my iPad. And the reason why I always use that to bring my colors is also because I'm always traveling with this suitcase. Because I'm Kathleen Dukes, a traveling muralist, and here on my channel I always post about my travels, about my murals and everything. And since she is my travel buddy. Since she's my travel buddy, is also my mural buddy, and I bring everything that I need here. So it's time to get the paints, the colors, and start to do the fun part that's using the VR to sketch on this wall. This video will take a little bit more time and days to complete than the normal murals because I'm not just doing the content for my YouTube and my Instagram and everything, but I'm also doing a new course for you guys. Since I started to use the VR, everyone is asking me how you can do it, how big can you scale, how tutorials and everything. So I decided to do a course, how you can sketch and how can you project your murals using the VR and the app Stencil. That's the best one that I tried so far. Also, if you want a code to use the stencil, you can get 10% off with my code that I will let here on the description too. I like to work when I have everything so organized, so I love to do to-do lists. For this, I did the to-do list of the course. So before we are recording it, showing how to use, showing how to scale, and also giving you some pro tips. For example, pro tips of how to record, how to post on social media, and everything that I know so far from the headset I will put on this course. It will be the first course that I will release online. So as soon as I have this available, I will post it here for you. So let's go on and keep recording it. Today is day 2, it's time to go to the mural. Since today is Saturday, because the client has time just on weekend to do the art, I came to the gym. I started to do the gym, I think 6 months ago. So all the time while I'm traveling, I need to conciliate going to the gym, traveling, and doing the murals. I think doing the murals and going to the gym is not that hard, but I think it's kind of tricky to be traveling and going to the gym because right now all the gyms need to do membership, so sometimes you're going to spend just 1 week in a country and you need to do a new membership. I think this part is tricky, but I'm loving my routine that is going to the gym, going to do murals. Normally I do the mural in the afternoon and the morning, and the night I go to the gym. And I'm lucky enough that here in Londrina is the seat of my parents, so I have the car. Everything's so easy when you have the car. In Europe I never had the car, so I'm trying to enjoy the maximum that I can. Today I made just cardio because I'm going to the dentist here in Londrina and I cannot do really heavy workouts, and also I want to do more cardios in my life. I hate to do cardios. You like to do cardios because I never met one person that like it. So now I'm so sweaty and it's time to put the hands on and keep it going doing the mural. Today is the day 2. I didn't paint it a lot yesterday because I was doing the content to my course, and this took it so much time. And also we had a kind of a terrible mistake yesterday, accident. Half of my green paint just fell on the floor, so I hope to finish it without the need of buying another paint. Today is the time that we're gonna finally put the paint on the wall, the colors, and before I will let the client to see the art on the headset and to see the reaction. This is a part that I love so much about this feature, so let's call them and do this show.
Segunda?
Sim, essa é como vai ficar a sua paredinha.
Ai, que coisa linda.
Legal, né? Você vê todo.
Que legal que fica isso aqui, né? Ó. Que legal que é. Transmassa.
Isso é incrível, não é? Eu adoro a realidade virtual, a realidade mista.
Muito lindo. Muito bom. Nossa.
Legal, né?
Outra realidade, né? Você vê a parede já pronta, né? Fica muito massa. Muito lindo.
Agora é hora de colocar as tintas na parede.
Então vai lá.
Guys, I will show you something that I just posted on YouTube, okay? So this is just like YouTube content things. Since I'm doing the videos, what you cannot see on other videos is everything that I need to do to have a really good illumination here, okay? I'm using like a really small ring light that I bought. I thought it would be better, but it's not the best one. I have so many meters of extension lines. I'm using 4 lights here. This is the kind of thing that you don't gonna see on my other social medias, but here on YouTube I think I show a little bit more of this backstage, right? And I think this is kind of fun, because this is the take that people normally get, and this is the take that I can see while I'm recording the video, and I always think this is really fun, and I wanted to show you. I think this is all. Here we are, the mural is done. For this mural I used the posca because since I started to use the molotov, I prefer the molotov. But when you are doing a quote for someone in Brazil, the molotov became so expensive. I think this one is like 50 reais, while the molotov is around 100 reais. So things get so much more expensive. So depends on the country, I use different brands. For this one I was using Posca, and this is the result. I think it's a really nice art. I love the colors. I really love when I use pastel with those flowers, because you have a little bit of elegance. It's soft but still so beautiful, full of personality. I hope you like it. If you want any other tutorial or to know anything, you just write here in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to follow all the adventures, and see you in the next video.